In the vibrant streets of San Juan, Puerto Rico, Luis, a passionate musician, strummed his guitar, his fingers dancing over the strings. He was searching for the perfect melody, one that would capture the essence of his homeland. His best friend, Gabriel, an enthusiastic dancer, often joined him, helping turn notes into rhythms that made the heart beat faster. One sunny afternoon, as Luis played a slow, enticing melody, a woman named Isabella passed by. She paused, swayed by the alluring tune that seemed to whisper secrets to her soul. Isabella, with her graceful movements and radiant smile, embodied the spirit of Puerto Rico. Seeing her move, Luis found the inspiration he was seeking. Encouraged by Gabriel, Luis approached Isabella and asked if she would dance to his music. With a nod, Isabella began to sway, her movements slow and sensual, syncing perfectly with the melody. Luis and Gabriel watched in awe as she brought the music to life, every step aligning with the rhythm's pulse. Days turned into weeks as they worked together, perfecting the song and dance. The music, named Despacito, grew from a simple tune into a captivating masterpiece that told a story of love and passion. They decided to perform it at the annual San Juan Festival. As the night of the festival arrived, the trio took to the stage. Gabriel's heart raced as he played the opening notes, Luis singing with all his soul, and Isabella dancing gracefully under the moonlit sky. The audience was mesmerized, their cheers filling the air. Despacito became an anthem of love, unity, and the rich culture of Puerto Rico, touching hearts far beyond the island's shores.